Are you getting engine reduced power on your DIC? Are you getting any of these two symbols popping up on your dash? When hooking up an OB2 scanner, are you getting the P2138 code? Well, I recently got that in my vehicle, and I'm going to show you what I did to fix it. Let's jump into it. What's going on, everybody? I'm Gary, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to briefly go over an issue that I recently had with my 2007 Chevy Avalanche. I was driving along and all of a sudden I got a readout on my DIC that stated reduced engine power. Additionally, my check engine light and my traction control light also came on. I also couldn't accelerate faster than 5 miles an hour, so the vehicle I felt was in limp mode at that point. So I hooked up an OB2 scanner and I got the code P2138, which states that my PCM is detecting a difference between my D and E sensor on my pedal position sensor, or APPS. That's a lot that I just said. Basically, there's an issue with your gas pedal. There's a sensor that's on the gas pedal in the Chevy Avalanche. Other culprits to the problem could also be your throttle position sensor, which is located underneath your hood, or the accelerator pedal position sensor wiring itself. So we're going to jump into it. I'm going to show you what I did to fix it and how easy it is to replace the part. The part costs about $108, I think is what I paid. So a little bit pricey, but very quick to fix. So let's go ahead and jump in. I'll show you how to replace it. This is the part that we're going to be replacing, the pedal position sensor. Some people know it as a APPS, accelerated pedal position sensor. And it's fairly easy to replace. I bought this at O'Reilly's. It was about a little over $100 for the sensor itself. But as you can see, it comes with a whole accelerated pedal. So we're going to go ahead. I'll show you how to remove the old one, and then we're going to install this new one, and then it should fix our problems with the reduced engine power that we were having. So this is what we're going to be replacing: the accelerated pedal, and the pedal position sensor is actually located right here. So first thing you want to do is remove this gray retaining clip to remove the wire harness that's connected to the actual sensor. And then next thing you're going to want to do to replace it is take out these bolts right here. There's two of them, one right here, and then there's another one up there, right up there. That's a 10mm bolt, so you're going to need a 10mm socket to take that off. To remove the clip, all you have to do, I just grab it and I pull it away, but as you can see, it's still retained or being held right here by this tab. So you have to pry this tab away a little bit. You can use a flathead screwdriver, and then you can take the clip off the rest of the way. So let me just pry that and I will be right back. All right, now I got it pried away. As you can see, I can just pull it the rest of the way out and the clip comes right out. So now that we have that clip off, what you want to do to remove the harness is give the tab here a pinch. Once you give it a pinch, you can pull that harness right off of the sensor. So now what we're going to do, we're going to take the 10mm socket, we're going to loosen those two bolts to remove the rest of the pedal. Now that we have those bolts removed, you can just go ahead and remove the pedal, and we will go ahead and put in the new one. So let's go ahead and grab that, put it in a position, and you're pretty much just going to work in reverse. Now that you have the pedal position, or the gas pedal put back into position, go ahead and hook the harness back up. Like so. And then you're just going to take the retaining clip right here and put that into place. Like so. And now you should be good to go. So that's how you fix the pedal position sensor on a 2007 Chevy Avalanche. This should also work with any other GM truck or SUV of the same year group. They're all the same makeup. If this does not fix your issue, please consider the other option that I mentioned earlier in the video. Try looking into your throttle position sensor possibly being out that's located underneath your hood, or your accelerator pedal position sensor wiring that's actually connected to the pedal position sensor itself. See if that could be the culprit. If none of those seem to work, please consult with a certified mechanic to see if they can diagnose and figure out what the issue is. As mentioned before in my previous videos, I am not a certified mechanic. I like to do stuff myself if I can, and if I figure out how to fix it, I like to share that knowledge with other people to help them out. So if you like my videos, please like, comment, and subscribe, and please check back for more videos that I may be posting, or that I will be posting in the future. Thanks for tuning in. Y'all have a good one. See ya.